This module was all about learning to secure our API. We started by learning about the different ways to achieve that. For bad, for example, sending over a username and password on each request, over sufficient, which is token-based security, to best practice, which is token-based security implemented by following the OAuth 2 and OpenID Connect standards. We implemented token-based security. A typical approach is to create an endpoint at the level of your API for that accepts your username and password. If those check out, a token can be returned from that call. That's what we implemented in the first demo. That token is requested by and returned to a client app. It's then sent as a bearer token on each request to the API, and at that level it's validated. If that checks out, access is granted. From that moment on, we also get access to the claims from the token via the user object. We learned how to use those in a controller action. Authorization policies improve on that. They allow us to check whether a request will be allowed before even entering a controller action, thus allowing us to create a full-fledged authorization layer. We learned how to implement a basic policy. Lastly, we learned that what we just did is just the tip of the iceberg. Security is a huge topic that evolves fast. You can improve on the token-based security approach by implementing it using standards like OAuth 2 and OpenID Connect. And with that, it's time for the last module of the course: versioning and documenting your API.